Well, let me tell you a point, which is a very good point, right? You need to bear in mind that Sora and other AIs that create and generate images and videos, the thing is they do it from scratch. It means there was no video that the AI found and then did some editing on it and gave it to you. This is completely new. It was created from scratch. That means that lady does not exist in the real world. It's just created by AI. It doesn't exist. It has never existed, and it probably will never exist, hopefully. Or, for example, you see the children here, none of them exist in the real world. None of them existed in the real world. And the thing is, the AI itself has gotten insights by watching millions, billions of videos. Or, for example, this video is completely new. It was created from scratch. And this story, what we've got here, we owe it to technology, the improvement of technology. And another point is, you can use this piece of software in everything. For example, you've got a website. You can use this footage instead of just a simple picture. Or, for example, you're teaching kids. You are creating a video, an educational video. You can use that. Or, for example, you need an advertising video about anything. You can upload this. But the thing is, if you want a video that consists of a couple of minutes, it's not that useful. But for short videos like this, or for example, you have a project for animations. So if you want to create that using other pieces of software, it is going to take a lot of time, but you'll get it done in seconds using this website. And things like this that we will talk about later on more. Well, in this episode, I just wanted to give you an insight of how this AI works, and again provide you with some examples from the outputs of the AI.